Hello, it's Romanosky and Aidan Goss, shooting from Calgary, Canada, just outside the Lugnuts facility, and we got kind of a trio of nice bikes here, and we'll just do a cold start video on this 1977 Honda CB750K. And this is going on Bring a Trailer right now, and we haven't started this bike in, I don't know, 10 days, 2 weeks, something like that. Like it's stone cold and hasn't been running a while. And I've only started it a few times, so I might not have it down completely. But let's just see what it does. Choke out. We'll give it, I think, a little bit of throttle. We will set it to run. Turn the ignition in the center, right? Right. And then we will, is it a neutral? It is a neutral. Put the clutch in anyway, and we'll see what happens. Do you want to get the tailpipe? Well, you couldn't really ask for much better than that, could you? Clutch out. And we'll just let it warm up for a while. There's nothing that's coming out of the exhaust. I'm not smelling any raw fuel. There's no blue smoke. It's beautiful. The carbs, as I understand it, were excellently tuned by somebody who really knows what they're doing. It's in the records, and obviously no reason to doubt that. And it runs beautifully. So we'll just let it warm up for a few minutes, and then I'll just take it for a very short drive. So we have the bike warmed up. It's just come over and look at the tach. And we're at about, I don't know, 500 RPM or something like that, and it's happy. And I'll just take it for a quick drive, and maybe just go out and I'll just do a pass on it. Very beautiful. There's not much you can see without going to elaborate GoPros, but the bike works really well. It runs beautifully, shifts terrific. It's a really nice restoration on a classic Honda.